Welcome guys. This is question number 1.26. It says if 10 volumes of dihydrogen gas reacts with 5 volume of dioxygen gas, then how many volumes of water vapor will be produced? Okay, so the simple equation for formation of water vapor is 2H2 plus O2 gives 2H2O. Okay guys, and we know that at STP 1 mole of any gas is 22.4 liters. Okay guys, so can we say number of moles is directly proportional to volume of the gas? Okay, so 10 volumes of H2 simply means, let us say 10x liters, whereas 5 volume of O2 simply means 5x liters. Okay guys, so this x can be anything. Okay, it depends on any value that you assume. So here it is saying, any ratio 10 volumes of dihydrogen reacts with 5 volume of dioxygen. Okay, so simply can we say that it is equivalent to a condition saying that 10 moles of H2 is reacting with 5 moles of O2. Okay, this condition is equivalent to this condition, and as per this equation, can I say that as per the equation, can I say that 2H2 plus O2 giving 2H2O? Can I say that 2 moles of, if I equate moles, 2 moles of hydrogen or dihydrogen will react with 1 mole of oxygen or dioxygen to give me 2 molecules of water vapor. If I multiply everything by 5, then what will I get? 10 moles of dihydrogen will react with 5 moles of dioxygen to give me 10 moles of water vapor. So can I simply say that 10 volumes of dihydrogen will react with 5 volumes of dioxygen to give me 10 volumes of water vapor. Okay, so this thing is possible. This thing is simply possible because 1 mole of everything contains 22.4 liters and number of moles is directly proportional to volumes. Okay, so 10 volumes of anything can also be written as 10 times moles or 10 moles, 10x moles, that we can equate based on the given data. Okay, so in case of any doubts, just let us know in the comment section and please subscribe to our channel. Okay, thank you guys.